Good morning, everybody. Myself, PK, innovator of English tree. What is English tree? English tree is a geographical map of English grammar. English tree is something different from others. Why it is different? Because English tree is a meta grammar. What is meta? Basically, if you will think, the metamorphosis of a caterpillar, it changed into a butterfly. If you think about the origin of a butterfly, that is caterpillar. Same to same, the metamorphosis of a tadpole changed into a frog. Same to same, English tree is what? Now the metamorphosis of grammar into that is your English tree. English tree is something different from other grammar. It is not a traditional grammar. I proved English tree is meta, why and how, that I want to prove it in front of all. So now I am going to prove English tree why and how it is meta. First you come, you know how just our body body language, or when just you think about your body structure. Body structure means human body related with so many parts of our body elements. That means same to same. If you think about sentence, because English depends upon specially on sentence. Sentence is what? Now it is a group of words. Group of words means there are so many words joined together and it refers to a sentence. How and why? Now, when it refers any meaning, then after you may say it is a sentence. So that first sentence equal S plus P, means sentence divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. Next, P equal VOC. What is V? Verb, object and complement. So that S equal S plus V plus O plus C. That means in the sense I have given four pillars how you can construct, how you can make a building, because without wall we can change into, or we can make a building roof. After we may think about wall. Same to same, SVOC, four pillar. By these we can make a sentence easily. So what is S, what is V, what is O, what is C? Sentence I cleared you. Group of words make a sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words milakar. If it refers any meaning, then you may say it is a sentence. So that I am now going to explain clearly. What is subject? What is subject? Who does some work in a sentence? You may say as doer, or you may say that is subject. Means who does? I may, you may, he may, she may. That means, for example, I am giving teacher teaches us. Here I have written one sentence. Who teaches? Whom teaches? Who is doing the work? What is the work? Because definition told what? Now who does? Who does work in a sentence means in the it is a teacher teaches us. It is also one sentence. You say or you think about in the sentence who does work. First you should think what is work. Work definitely some action. Which action tells about your verb. If you find out what is work, then after you can say the teacher does work. Means who does? The teacher does. What? Teaching. Whom? Us. So who teaches? Whom? To whom teaches? Subject and complement. First you think first one and the last one. The middle one, which one? That is your work. Work in refers action. Action tells about your work or this work. Who is doing? Who is performing? He or she or they. That is subject. So that subject what? Now who does work in a sentence? That is called subject or you may say doer. So in the sentence, teacher teaches us. It is one example. Another example I am giving. Mother cooks food. In the sentence you think who does work? What is the work? काम क्या है? If you find out what is the work, that work, who is doing? That is subject. So that first you should think who is or what is the work. Now cook is a work. Why? Question आएगा. Cook is why it is a work. Because work, it is action. You are performing. You are doing. So that this is a work. This work, who is performing, who is doing, that is called your subject. Or you may say doer. So in the sentence mother doing work means mother cooks food. Here mother does work. So that mother is subject. Do you clear? Or any doubt you may ask. So that perhaps you may all clear. Then you come P. P in the P refers predicate. क्वेश्चन आएगा S equal S plus P. Already we cleared S. Now you should clear P. That is your predicate. Subject who does work. teacher teaches us. It is one sentence. You know who does, subject does, means teacher does. Then after, you may say it is a subject part. After or except subject, the rest part of the sentence, that is called your predicate. When you find out, when you think about just your subject or who is performing in the sentence, when you find out subject, then after the rest part is called your predicate. S and P. So subject equal S plus P, subject and a predicate. We are playing football. Now we may explain this one. We are playing football. Question आएगा, who does, who performs, who plays, or who are playing. Here double verb, so that two does did not possible. In the sense, we are playing football. Who are playing? Now we are playing. What playing? Football playing. So that we should find out what is the work. If you find out the work, definitely that work who is performing, now that is your subject. Before we clear. After subject part, the rest part of the sentence means are playing football. This one or these words total going under predicate. S and a P. So you should think subject and a predicate. If you imagine sentence, it is a road, L part and right, left part and right part. We always walk along the left path, not right path. Why? Left path is safety. So that in the sense in grammar section also, when we divided a sentence divided into two parts, subject and predicate, that time we should think which parts are coming under subject part. Because English is really very easy language, very clever language, very funny language. But we should always analyze briefly, line by line, word by word, why and how. Always you should think or you should make the question why and how. What? When teacher teaching anything, that is what means subject. Then after, now I am teaching you sentence or SP, subject, predicate, any. That time I am teaching what? You should put the question why and how. Why Ram is subject? Why I subject? You should make some question why and how. If why and how you clear, that means you will clear all things easily. So now S and A P gone. P equal V plus O plus C before I written. But now you should think V, O, C, what are these? Now V refers verb, O refers object, C refers complement. Then you may think what is verb? verb is action or state, refers to tense part. किसी का टेंस नहीं वो वर्ब नहीं. यू मे थिंक इट, किसी का टेंस पार्ट है, ब्लाइंडली यू मे से दैट इज. हे भाई क्लीन की मुँह मारी दे ली मुझे